Sa ikawalong pagkakataon ay dinaos ang ASEAN National Quiz Competition na sinalihan ng mga estudyante mula sa 15 rehiyon sa bansa. Naging mahigpit ang labanan sa pagitan ng mga estudyanteng lumahok kung saan sinubok ang kanilang kaalaman pagdating sa Association of Southeast Asian Nations o ASEAN. Sa bandang huli ay 3 rehiyon ang nanaig at may pagkakataong makilahok sa ASEAN Quiz Regional Competition na idaraos sa bansang Indonesia ngayong taon. Ito ang Region 11, National Capital Region at Cordillera Administrative Region o CAR.
Actually, this competition, I didn't really expect any of this. I was just here to enjoy. I was just here to experience all of this because for me, being here is already winning. And having that trophy and being able to represent the Philippines in the 8th ASEAN Quiz Regional Competition is just so much, and it's just I don't know what to feel. Everything can be accomplished with prayer. This is actually winning. This is not my achievement. It's the Lord's achievement. It's not me being there. This is not because I'm intelligent or what. This is not because I'm good. This is because of our Lord, and that's the only reason.
Ang 8th ASEAN Quiz National Competition ay ginanap dito sa Studio B ng People's Television Network at ito'y dinaluhan din ng iba't ibang personalidad mula sa mga attached agency ng network, ang Department of Education, Department of Foreign Affairs, Presidential Communications Operations Office, Philippine Information Agency at Philippine Broadcasting Service. Bukod sa tagisan ng talino, sa bandang huli ang patimpalak na ito ay naging tulay para mabuo ang malalim na samahan sa pagitan ng mga kalahok na kailanman ay hindi magmamaliw.